The unequivocally bullish productivity shift ahead. Morning brief. Author, Ethan Wolfman, Senior Editor. Date, Tuesday, June 11th, 2024, 3:00 p.m. GMT plus 5:30. In today's morning brief, we delve into the transformative potential of generative AI and its anticipated impact on productivity across various sectors of the economy. Here is a comprehensive analysis of this pivotal shift. Current AI landscape, a pattern of concentration. The trajectory of AI adoption in the tech sector mirrors familiar patterns seen in previous technological revolutions. Historically, major breakthroughs like computers, smartphones, and search engines have led to market dominance by a few key players. Today, the AI revolution is no different. Chip manufacturers and AI engine developers are at the forefront, driving substantial growth and market concentration. NVIDIA's remarkable growth. A standout example of this concentration is NVIDIA, whose recent 10-for-1 stock split highlights its exponential growth. Such companies are pivotal in propelling the market to new heights, reflecting the hockey stick growth pattern typical of technological advancements. Market concentration. This growth has contributed to significant market concentration. The top 5 and top 10 companies in the S&P 500 now wield unprecedented influence, driving the index to record highs. This concentration, while beneficial for these leading companies, raises concerns about the broader market's dependency on a few key players. AI's broadening impact and market dynamics. While the dominance of a few tech giants is apparent, the broader implications of AI are beginning to surface, hinting at a more widespread economic impact. Savita Subramanian's insights. Bank of America's head U.S. equity strategist, Savita Subramanian, suggests that the full potential of generative AI is yet to be realized. Her analysis indicates that AI's capacity to enhance productivity is profound, especially as companies strive to counter high inflation by becoming more efficient. Stagnant productivity levels. Productivity gains within the S&P 500 have plateaued since the mid-2000s, despite the advent of cloud services and globalization. These factors, coupled with levered buybacks, have shifted focus away from efficiency improvements. Sectoral impacts, supply and demand side effects. AI's influence extends beyond the tech sector, with both supply and demand sides experiencing significant changes. Utilities sector. As Julie Hyman highlighted in a previous morning brief, the utilities sector is reaping benefits from AI. The growing demand for electrical power necessitated by AI advancements has propelled this traditionally regulated sector into the technological forefront. This development underscores AI's capacity to drive growth in unexpected areas. Demand-side potential. The more significant impact, however, lies on the demand side. Subramanian posits that AI's ability to unlock productivity gains could be pivotal. This is particularly relevant as companies seek innovative ways to boost efficiency amidst high inflation and shifting economic conditions. Economic context and productivity gains. The economic landscape has seen significant shifts, prompting a renewed focus on productivity. High inflation as a catalyst. The current economic climate, marked by high inflation, has incentivized companies to prioritize efficiency. This has rekindled efforts to achieve productivity gains that have stagnated for years. COVID-19's role. The pandemic has already driven improvements in productivity, setting a precedent for further gains. Remote work, digital transformation, and other pandemic-induced changes have highlighted the importance of efficiency. Future prospects and the role of generative AI. Generative AI, with its transformative potential, stands at the cusp of driving substantial changes across various sectors. Professional services and banking. Subramanian identifies labor-intensive professional services and large banks as prime beneficiaries. These sectors, which have seen increased labor intensity since the global financial crisis, could experience significant efficiency improvements through AI. Generative AI's game-changing potential. As generative AI continues to evolve, it promises to be a game-changer. Its ability to enhance productivity, reduce costs, and streamline operations across diverse sectors heralds a new era of economic efficiency. Conclusion: a bullish outlook. In conclusion, while the current AI landscape is dominated by a few major players, the broader implications of AI adoption present a compelling bullish outlook. Generative AI stands poised to drive significant productivity improvements across various sectors, offering promising prospects for investors and businesses alike. The anticipated shift towards greater efficiency, fueled by generative AI, marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing technological revolution.